Hi, and it's your boy Smino, and this is what's in your fridge. This ain't my house, it's my mama's house, so this is my favorite things to get in my mama fridge when I come home. Start at A. My mama a healthy lady, so she always got some nice chopped up citrus fruit or something like some pineapples in a glass bowl that's real cold, so you can sit it on your lap, watch TV. If it's hot, bowl cool your lap. Vibes, right? Second favorite thing, it's my mama fridge. She real healthy these days, so hot sauce, because it's just a surprise. It's fancy seeing my old friend in this refrigerator. You feel me? That's fire. Let me see. Mama, ain't the cream cheese for the cheesecake? This my, all right, so my mama made some of the best cheesecake I ever ate from scratch, like Cheesecake Factory. Best from scratch cheesecake I ever had. So I like when she come, you know, lace up with the cheesecake. And last but not least, look, nasty, taking this shirt off, put it back on. It's honey barbecue, you feel me? Sweet baby Ray's. Oh, I don't know. If you know, you know. Like, I can't really explain. If you don't eat Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, you lost in the sauce, yeah. And that's what's in my fridge, or my mama fridge. This is my beautiful mom, and we are on Made from Scratch on FuseTV. So make sure you watch us. You dig?